guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a really quick haul and show you guys some of the keto friendly snacks that I was able to find at my local Dollar Tree. So if you are not familiar with the ketogenic diet, it's essentially a low carb diet but high fat. So think of it like Atkins and then put some fat in there. So avocados, nuts, healthy fats, things like that. So on the ketogenic diet, because your carbs are very limited and you're normally between 20 and 30 grams of carbohydrates, it's kind of hard to put in snacks. Also on ketogenic, a lot of people eliminate fruit altogether. And so it's kind of hard to kind of snack on healthy fruits and things like that. So I decided to go to my local Dollar Tree and find some kind of like some keto alternatives to snacking. Now, before the keto police come on my channel and say, oh, that's not good for you, and I totally understand where you guys are coming from. However, everyone who does the ketogenic diet does not have disposable income to be able to buy all of these organic fruits and vegetables and have time to make keto pies and keto cupcakes and things like that. I'm a busy mom of two. I have my own business and I want to be successful on this diet, so you need some alternatives. So I found some at my local Dollar Tree and I'm going to show you guys what I got. So let's go. On the ketogenic diet, you are really limited in your carbs. So right now I'm consuming under 50 grams of carbs. And if you think of that in terms of an actual diet, it's almost like 2 slices of bread for the entire day. But because vegetables also contain carbohydrates, most of my carbs go to nuts and they also go to my vegetables because I have a lot of vegetables in every meal. So I'm just gonna, it's not gonna be in any particular order. I'm just gonna show you some things that I got from the dollar store. Okay, so on ketogenic, they want you to have a lot of healthy fats. So you can have bacon, you can have sausage, you can have, red meat and things like that. So I found these really quick Jimmy Dean breakfast sausages in the frozen food aisle. I thought this was really good, especially if you are eating on the go like I typically am. You can get some eggs. If you don't have bacon, you can eat these sausages, and they actually have 2 grams of carbs for 3 of the sausage links, 1 gram of sugar, which is really good, and it's 210 calories. But remember, we're focusing on carbs, so only 2 grams of carb per serving, which is really great. I also found some deli style oven roasted turkey, and it looks like this. This is really good for a keto snack. You can add this with some cheese, which I have in my bag as well. So you can basically take some deli meat, wrap it in some cheese. There you go, snack or even a meal depending on how much of it you eat. So with the slice of turkey, it's 35 calories. Let me go to the carbs. It is 2 grams of carbs and 1 grams of sugar, just like the sausages. And of course on keto, they want you to have cheese or healthy fats. And so I found these cheese strings, and for 1 piece, there is 1 gram of sugar, and where are my carbohydrates? And 1 gram of carbs. So that's 80 calories per cheese string. And the carbs and the sugar are really low in this as well. I also found my absolute favorite thing to get on a ketogenic diet, and that's nuts. So I found some whole almonds, and of course almonds are keto friendly. I found some cashews, also keto friendly. These are really great for me because I do a lot of my blogging. If you're not familiar with my channel, I of course do YouTube, but I have my own blog, ChimereNicole.com, and I do a lot of my writing at night. So that's typically when the kids are asleep. That's also the time where I get really hungry and I want to start snacking and munching. But because I'm doing something called intermittent fasting, I only eat between 12 and 8 o'clock. So in the instance where I'm really, really hungry, these save the day. I also found some pistachios, and you guys are familiar with this brand. They're actually very expensive. So I found these at the dollar store, and they're only 100 calories for this whole bag. I really like when everything is kind of portioned out for you, so you don't have to be like, oh, let me measure the almonds or let me measure the cashews. You already know this is 100 calories in this package, and It is really low in carbs as well as no sugar, so perfect on keto. I also found, of course, beef jerky. I haven't had this in so long, but you'll be surprised when you start dieting or you even start keto, what your body starts to crave. And I was walking in the store and I was like, is this a good keto snack? I looked on the packaging and it is. It doesn't have, let me see. Where is the sugar? 5 grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar for this entire thing. So if you're in a pinch, grab some beef jerky. I also found, I love pickles. Love pickles. Even before I had my children, I always loved pickles. I like pickle juice. Ugh. So pickles are really good on the ketogenic diet. And I also found these are called Oh Snap Pickle Bites. I really like these. This would be really good for a snack if you take this and some string cheese and kind of have it in your bag. You can never mess up on your diet. So I grabbed that. And let's talk about some liquids that I found. So I also found the sugar-free kind of like energy drinks. And I've actually never had them, but I wanted to try them. The first one I got is called Rocks Sugar Free. It's a 12-ounce can, and like I said, on keto, they don't want you to have any sugars or lemonades or teas or sweet teas or anything like that that has added sugars. So I found this in the store. It has no carbs, no sugar, and no calories. Can't beat that with a stick. So I'm going to try this probably tomorrow. And I also found another one. It's called Rip It Energy Fuel, 0 calories, 0 carbs. And let's see. No carbohydrates, no sugar, no calories, 2 servings per can. And it's basically the first thing is carbonated water and some citrus acid and all of that. But really good on keto. If you're just like, I'm tired of water or I'm tired of coffee, this will be a good alternative as well. And I have used these save the day. These are like the best. If you really want sugar or you're having dinner, you're just like, you know what, I'm tired of water or I'm tired of lemon water. These are really good alternative as well. These are the sparkling ice, and my favorite flavor is the black raspberry. This is the one I've used before, and it has 0 sugars, 0 carbs. It has a lot of vitamins inside, and it's also 0 calories. So really great alternative on keto. Oops, love it. And I have a few more things. Oh, just 2 more things. Now these next 2 things are totally optional, but like I said, I think it's one of those things where if you're like me, you're PMSing, or you're just like, I need a snack and I don't want it to be, you know, cucumbers or something like that. I found pork rinds. Now, I am from New Jersey. My grandmother is from Mississippi, so I was born and bred on pork rinds. Even like the ones that are really kind of crunchy. I remember back in the day, my grandma used to take a butter knife and like scrape out like the fat or something that was inside the pork rinds. It was so weird, but I'm just familiar with pork rinds, and I found these in the Dollar Tree, and they are a keto friendly snack. So 0 carbohydrates, 0 sugars, and 80 calories per serving. And it does have a small significant portion of protein, but I really don't count that. But I was just happy that it's literally just pork and salt. So if you don't eat pork, of course this would not apply to you. However, I do, and yes, save the day. You want something crunchy, you want something salty, these are really good as well. Now, these I'm really not too sure of. I'm gonna kind of look at the packaging again, but I picked them up anyway. These are called veggie straws, and they are non-GMO, which is really what kind of grabbed my attention. And you have to be careful with these type of things because you have to measure it out. On the back of the packaging, it tells you about the serving sizes. And for this, 40 of these veggie straws is a serving. So in one serving, it's about 15 grams of carbs. Now, remember, most ketogenic diets are between 20 grams and 50 grams. So if you are on a low carb or low ketogenic diet and you know that you only have 20 grams of carbs in a day, and you have a serving of this, which is 15 grams of carbs a day, then you already know you eating salad for the rest of the day, sis. You just eating salad. So I grabbed these as well, and they don't have any added sugars. It's just high in carbs. But again, if you're looking for something and you're on a pinch, I would suggest grabbing this versus grabbing Doritos. Okay, you guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my keto friendly haul from the Dollar Tree. Let me know what your favorite snack or your preference in your keto friendly snacks. If there's something from the dollar store that you guys seen that I possibly didn't see because I was kind of in a rush, let me know in the comment section as well. And don't forget to thumbs up this video. I'm going to be doing a lot more keto friendly videos. I'm in my first week of keto right now and I'm doing really well. I'm actually seeing some weight loss in my first week, so I'm going to be bringing you guys more keto friendly videos as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and I will see you guys in my next video.